Welcome back to Educator.com. I'm very excited for this lesson because I can introduce you to the concept of jQuery Mobile. And jQuery Mobile is a very unique way to build web pages. Instead of having all separate HTML pages, all of your pages are wrapped up into one. And it's a very unique interface designed specifically for mobile devices and the ability to touch your way around mobile devices. So it's a touch-based framework, and that framework is based on the very popular jQuery framework. So this is really a subset of jQuery specifically created for mobile websites. Let's take a look at some examples. I actually have 4 of them for you here. And this is a website created for my jQuery mobile course. And what we have is a travel adventures website. And you're actually looking at this website in 4 separate browsers. The jQuery mobile platform is designed to work off of the jQuery library. And what that means is it's a JavaScript library with all kinds of unique pieces to it that you can hook into for your websites. And specifically, jQuery Mobile is incorporated into Dreamweaver. So this is a very exciting platform with regards to creating websites just for mobile. So let's take a look at what a jQuery website is. Now I want to show you right here, this first one is in Google Chrome. And we know Google Chrome is a very up-to-date modern browser. At this point in time, it is the most up-to-date modern common browser. And you can see that this works just fine on a desktop, but it's designed to stay narrow. So I can certainly make this full screen if I want, and it will still be fully functional with hovers on everything. The icons work. Notice I have my little number count. So if I'm going to go into tours or countries, I know how many. There's an arrow leading me into that part of the website. And it's also designed for fingers. So you can see it's got a taller area. Make it easier for you to put your finger on. But it's really not designed to be looked at in this manner. The idea is it's designed to be viewed in a narrow window device. So what happens if I click on any of these? Well, if I click tours, you can see my tours show up. If I click countries, and I'll use this version, the Safari version, you can see I get into the various countries. So it allows you to dig deeper into the website, just like a normal website, but it's all created using jQuery Mobile and one single HTML page. Everything you're looking at is one page, which is kind of strange to think about. I'll go ahead and click Book a Tour. You can see we can even create forms within this framework. I have buttons to go backwards and forwards. Notice on Internet Explorer, and this is Internet Explorer 8, a very old browser, and this framework works on it. The big distinction is my arrow images turn out square in IE8 instead of rounded in the more modern browsers, but everything works, which is really exciting. So this was our countries, the tours. I'll click on Book a Tour so you can see that page. And on this side, I'll click on the About Us page. And you can see there are our various web pages. Now, you can even use Twitter. I can click on this Twitter feed, and it should display some tweets. Now, the idea behind this is it's only displaying the latest tweets. So we have like and follow us buttons within this area. We even have a slideshow. And what I'm going to do is move some of this. Let me close it so that it isn't quite so overwhelming. And we'll put one of these in the middle so I can show you the slideshow. I think this is a fun feature. You can see this auto adjust to the size of the window. And there are even plugins you can add to create full-fledged photo galleries. So I'm moving into the photo gallery area. If I click on Europe, you can see I have quite a few different images here. And if I click on an image, what it does is move me into a nice slideshow. I can go ahead and play the slideshow down in this area, and it will automatically advance the images through the slideshow. If I want to stop that slideshow, I can simply stop it here, or I can advance through the images myself. So that is jQuery Mobile and a plugin in order to be able to work with slideshow features, and there are a variety of different plugins available. But the jQuery Mobile framework is a very exciting framework. Adobe is on the board for jQuery Mobile, as are quite a few other board members. And it's a framework that's continuing to evolve, but it's all based on the very popular framework of jQuery. So that is a jQuery Mobile website, a complete website that has quite a few extra features, and it has themes built in that's creating this color scheme. It's really a great framework, and Dreamweaver can help you build these pages. So that's what we're going to take a look at. So that's an overview of the jQuery Mobile framework, and I have allowed you to view a mobile website. Notice we're viewing it on the desktop. So you can see some of the features that are built into the jQuery Mobile framework. Let's get started actually taking a look at a page created in jQuery Mobile.